afternoon. This is Fee, Diamond the Rock. How's your day going today? Today I have a smart art box here for you to check out. Subscription details down below if you're interested. Yeah, check them out. I had fun with the last box, although I've only managed to do one project so far. Actually, there was only one project that I did. Yes, the peacock, and it turned out pretty good if I do say so myself. Subscription box. This one's a monthly box, and let's get into it. I am actually very excited about this box because obviously this is now I'm up to date. My first box was just a very old one, so just for me to give them a go. So the box. Empower creativity. Smart box and smart art project. So there's your hashtags for them. Smartbox.com. And here we go. What's in the box? Do I get to try it first? In the box we have the orange tissue paper plus love smart art, let us know. And if you hear me mumbling, I'm going to be eating a Swedish fish. Let's see how we go with that one. Okay, what's under here? Quick sneak peek, and then I'm going to pull this out, put the box aside, and we'll pull everything out in order of the packaging. So I will say to you gems, please comment, like, subscribe, share, let me know all the stuff that you like in here, just so that we can check it out together. There is a weekly challenge that you can do to win. For me, to do any of the weekly challenges, I'm more likely to do weekly challenges that are towards the later part of the month, because it's 16th of June and you know, halfway through the month. So anyway, project tools are there. The smart art, it is presenting mixed media art, and we have information of what is in there. Oh, quick sticky, that looks interesting. Oh, another one. Oh, a couple of. Okay, so there's also project pointers. This month's weekly prompt: spiral, retro, journey, whimsical. I have 8 days before I go away. I don't think I'll be doing much with this box until I come back. Okay, so here we go. What's in the box? Let's have a look. Marabou mixed media art crayons, primary set, 5 pieces. Now, if I actually manage to find prices, I will put them down below. At art crayon, watercolor, so you've got your primary plus your black and your whites. And look at that, it actually does on the back show you how to get your different shades for those of us that aren't artistic. Get a watercolor effect, blending, and wipe stenciling. Okay, so Marabou art crayons, highly pigmented, water soluble with wax crayons with a smooth, soft consistency. Vivid light cast colours can be smoothly mixed for brightly coloured blending and a watercolour appearance, then combined with water. Also ideal for choosing background, wipe stenciling, stamping, as well as mixed media. Okay, so that is these first item. The next one, Marabou acrylic spray paint, 2 colours. Okay, so that is these guys. So black and blue. Ooh, they have beads in them. Shake it till you make it. No, I think that's fake it till you make it. That's me anyway. Okay, so the Marabou acrylic spray, 2 colours. These acrylic pump spray paints were developed for a variety of applications and techniques. Vivid colours are ideal for creations How about I put that where you can see it? Idea for creations on canvas, frames, cards, scrapbook and art journal pages, as well as for stenciling, interesting colour transitions, backgrounds and much more. Woohoo! Here we go. So the art spray. Next one. Okay. Is this little one. The Abstract Innovative Acrylic Cenelia Abstract Liner, Iridescent Gold. Create relief and contour effects with Cenelia Abstract Liners filled with Cenelia Abstract Acrylic Paint. Each bottle has a precision applicator tip and fits comfortably in your hand. I will admit it is comfortable. Perfect for detailed 3D work. Once they're empty, refill them with your favourite satin or matte abstract colours or mix your own. So, let's say I've got to break the knob on that one. There we go. Oh, no, maybe I don't. That's going to be a very fine point. Okay, so there we go. Okay, so next in the box is Smart Art Round 8 canvas panels, 4 pieces. Oh. Who's going to have fun with those 4? Round canvas panels, because who likes to be square? These canvas panels are an easy portable alternative to stretch canvas, featuring unbleached 100% cotton that's primed with acid-free acrylic titanium gesso and wrapped around an acid-free recycled paper board core, suitable for use with acrylic paints, oil paints and other wet or dry media. And do I sound like I know what I mean when I'm talking mixed media and water and all of that? I don't. I'm playing, I'm learning. Okay, so 4 of those, so that's going to be fun. There's the ability to do probably 4 projects. Okie dokie, then next we have something I don't really have much of. Warrison 6-piece Taklon brush set. Taklon brushes are designed to perform like fine natural sable hair. Highly durable synthetic synthetic filaments resist abuse and breakage while providing an excellent snap with fine points and sharp edges. Each brush is constructed with a high quality seamless nickel ferrule mounted on a lacquered hardwood handle. So my paint brushes consist of paint by number brushes, and that is about it. So yeah. Let's get some fancy ones. I will say on the back of the packet you have your different types. Your pointed round, flat shader, filbert, script liner, fan and angle shader. I'm not going to take them out, but look at that. They look so pretty and clean. Let's see what damage I'm going to do to them. Okie dokie, the next one is stainless steel round mixing palette knife. These labelled with Smart Art. These Italian style painting knives, yep, are made from polished stainless steel, tempered to provide just the right amount of give for the perfect painting response. The blade is fixed in a plastic handle designed to be comfortable to grip and hold. The round shape will be perfect tool to work with the art crayons and elevate your mixed media artwork. Let's take this one out of the packaging. What do you think? I've watched some acrylic painting people on YouTube, or not on YouTube, on Facebook. And it's so cool to watch. Actually, I think I've seen some on YouTube as well. Okay, so there's a little bit of give there. Smart Art. A hole, I can hang it up when I find somewhere to hang things up. Then the next one, which is what I am excited about because, as I mentioned it, I can't draw. Stencils! Woohoo! These are 6.5 by 6.5 inch reusable paper stencils. Are durable, ideal with the use of mixed media. Create beautiful DIY inspired paper crafts with these reusable paper stencils. Designer patterns are perfect for embellishing, used with art crayons, or add unique textural designs to mixed media projects, or use as an element, not an elephant, in mixed media work. So let's have a look at this. This looks really cool. Stencils. That's my kind of art. Let's get into this. Okay, so these are, in a way they don't feel reusable, but let's see. We have, I'll move these out the way because then you'll be able to see them here. We have a heart with florals. We just have some stencils. Pretty cool. Oops. Forgive and little butterflies. That's perforated so you can actually tear them off. Wish. More butterflies. Love. These are quite sweet. Oh, that's pretty. Strength. Needing that one at the moment with what's going on in life. Okay, then we have, oh, that goes that way. Grace. So obviously these you can go in, keep them in the same order, but you can, I'd say you can move the stencils around so that you can get them going across or down or diagonal. Trust. And journey on. Look at those feathers. Oh, they're going to be fun. Now if we look at it, I'll just turn this over. So if you want to, you can do a journey on and maybe put some feathers either side and around and get creative. Okay, so how many was there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 sheets. However, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 15, 16, 17 different actual stencils. So how cool is that? So I'm just going to go over what is in there again, just as a quick recap. Lay them out so you can see them properly. Well, you can't see that one properly, can you? Well, let's lay that there, that's better. And then we'll go over, whoops, what is in the package. Let's see if we can get this looking pretty as I go through. Can't forget the lolly. Okay, so yet again we have the crayons, the primary set. We have the spray paint, which is going to get very messy, and I love doing that. The liner, the canvas panels, the brush set, the mixing palette knife, and the media stencils for journaling. So they are going to be coolios. I actually might be able to put some of those butterflies and that on my in my planner. Ooh, that's pretty cool. I can put stuff like that in my planner. here we go. I am getting ideas now, which always scary when I get ideas. So I've just finished showing these, and I forgot something to go through and share the book with you. So we've got the project tools, the Smart Art History, right? So I went through that. However, I did show you what the projects they give you so that you know you've got an idea of what you can work with. So when my camera decides that it wants to play nice and focus, sometimes you've just got to go, rah! Okay, it's not going to focus, so there we go. We have prepped the workstation project, layer a swirl pattern, bring out the stencils, continue using the stencils, so you're just patting it, journey on. Actually, look at that. I actually said about using the journey on and putting the feathers all the way around. And then using the gold abstract paint liner to create a 3D effect. That's cool. So that would I use to create, they're saying to use the crayons to colour the entire board. Now, I've got an idea with that one. Oh, I'm so getting ideas. The next one is this is cool, look at this. Crayons, they're vertical, then you actually use the opposite end of a small round brush to start sketch to design, and then they put a bicycle on it, and then you've in the basket, how cool, in the basket, use a stencil to put the flowers in the basket. That is so cool. And there'll be other projects that they have showing as well, so on their YouTube channel. Okay, there we go. Threw this in here. I forgot. I'm human. Anyway, gems, let me know what you think. I am looking forward to this box. I did forget one thing. The Smart Art sticker. It's a bit different, but I've got to work out a spot to put these stickers. I had an idea at one stage and that went out the window. So anyway, on that note, I will say thank you for watching, gems. Comment, like, subscribe, share, all that jazz, and bye for now.